Hey there, and welcome to my vlog, and this is Hemped Up. And guess what I just got? I got my next bottle of Hempworks 500. This time, I got it in.
Here you go. There you go. You can have that now.
Did you drink it?
I did drink it.
So anyway, because I get disturbed here. This time I got it in cinnamon flavor. This is in peppermint. It's really, really good. Now you're going to take a dopper, which is considered 20 drops at a time. I'm going to do that 2 times a day. So, and it stays with you for between 18 to 36 hours. So here's the hemp, and again it this might be a little different because it's not. I didn't specify 0 THC. So this has got 0.003 THC content in it, so it's going to be a little different. And from what I understand, even if your company is, you do get a drug test. They're not it probably won't show up because it's so little content. So, but you can request 0. See that? 0 THC. Where is that lens? There it is. You see that? Yeah, 0 THC or 0.003 THC. So that's going to be a little different there. So I'm going to take my evening. I've already taken my evening dose of that, so I don't want to dose myself up. But there you go. This is cinnamon flavored, and I wouldn't have had to finish it quite so fast if I hadn't. It slipped out of my hand, and I dumped half of it on the floor. Not a good thing. So went ahead and got some more in a hurry here. All right, so there we go. That's my second batch, and it does have it's not 0 THC, so I'll be able to report back on that. This definitely makes me feel good. I don't have really any ailments to really talk about. I don't have arthritis. I don't have headaches or migraines. I don't have joint pain yet, and arthritis. I'm not, I'm going on 59, so I don't have those issues at the moment. So anyway, but I'm sure they're going to be coming along. I've been blessed, other than breaking my neck and cracking my C6 and C7 in the back of my neck, and those fused together. So of course, anytime you break something, you're going to get arthritis there eventually. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and read the description down there and click on the link, and that'll take you to Hempworks. And we also carry another brand of items that are a oral spray. So check those out. We'll catch you on the next Hemped Up.